Hi, Heartroom friends. Welcome to our first nonfiction writing lesson. Today, we're going to talk about how to take some of our ideas and turn them into a nonfiction teaching story. Let's go ahead and take a look today at our How to Write a Teaching Book chart. How to write a teaching book. The first thing we need to do is think of a topic. Last Friday in class together, we generated lots of ideas and thought of lots of different things that we were experts at. If you haven't done this yet, then you want to go ahead and do that in your red writing journal. Most of us completed it in class together. The second thing you do is you want to pick one of your ideas and you want to start planning what you're going to say about that idea. Okay? You're going to say it on your fingers and you're going to sketch across the pages and then you're going to write. So let's see how that works in real life. Let's go ahead and I'm going to open my red writing journal. And here is the idea chart that I made last Friday with you. So our How to Write a Teaching Book chart is telling us first think of a topic. Well, I have lots of different topics. So I'm going to pick one that I want to focus and write about today. And I'm going to pick dogs. I'm going to circle that word. So remember that I'm going to write about dogs today. Okay. So I thought of my topic and I picked my favorite topic. I picked one that I want to write about today. Now I need to plan. I need to say on my fingers everything I know about dogs and how to be a good dog owner. Okay. And then I need to sketch across my pages. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my page. I'm going to write the date at the top of my story paper, January 18th, 2021. And the first thing that I'm going to say about my dog story is that it's important to be a prepared owner, to really make sure that you have the time to spend with your dog. So on this page, I'm just going to do a very quick sketch, not a nice drawing, but just a very quick sketch of myself throwing the ball to my dog, spending time with my dog. Because before I ever get a dog, I need to make sure that I have time to spend with my dog. On the next page, I'm going to talk about all the things that you need when you get a dog. So you're going to need lots of supplies. So you need a water bowl, and you need a food bowl, and you need some food. And it's important that you have a leash and a collar for your dog, and maybe some toys for them to play with. My dog really likes tennis balls, as you can see. Okay. It's important that you make sure that your dog goes to the veterinarian, which is the animal doctor, so that they get their shots. So I'm going to draw a little veterinarian in a little veterinarian coat with their table where they examine the dog and give it its shots and make sure that the dog is healthy. Just drawing a quick sketch here. Remember, these are not my final drawings. And lastly, I'm going to write about how the dog needs lots of love. So I'm going to draw my couch really quickly. Again, this is just a quick sketch. I'm going to draw myself sitting on the couch with my dog. My dog always likes to put her head on my lap. Okay, so I'm going to go back and make those beautiful drawings. These are just to help me remember what I'm going to say. So first, writers. First, we think of a topic, okay? We thought of lots of topics. I picked one, dogs, okay? Because, right, we're teachers, we're nonfiction writers, which are basically teachers. We're teaching people. And when I'm teaching our first grade class, I'm always thinking of very specifically what I want to teach the class. I don't want to jump around and teach math and writing and science all at the same time. So I'm really thinking about one topic and teaching it well. So today, my one topic is dogs. Then I'm going to plan by sketching across my pages. Okay. I've drawn my sketches of all the things that are important about owning a dog. And now I'm going to do the last thing, which is writing the words. So I'm literally going to pick up my pencil. And the first thing I'm going to write is, today, I am going to teach you about how to be a good dog owner. That's exciting. So I'm going to put an exclamation point there. Today I'm going to teach you about how to be a good dog owner. And now I'm going to say the very first thing. And my drawing was of making sure that you have enough time to spend with your dog. First, make sure that you are ready to have a dog. They need lots of time and love. Okay, now I'm going to turn my page, and this sketch was about supplies, all the supplies you need. Second, so first you have to make sure you have enough time and love to give a dog. Second, you need your supplies. Second, you need to get lots of important supplies for your dog. And now I'm going to list all the supplies. Dogs need food, comma, because I'm going to make a list of things. So I'm going to put a comma in between all the things they need. Food, comma, water, comma, a leash, comma, a collar, comma, a bed, comma, and toys, period. Okay. On this next page, I bet you can guess what I'm going to say next. On this next page, I'm going to write third. Okay. And then I'm going to talk about taking your dog to the veterinarian and how that's so important. And on my last page, I'm going to talk about giving your dog lots and lots of love. So those are all of the components of writing a teaching book. Look at your idea chart, pick your favorite one that you want to start with, plan by telling the story on your fingers and sketching across the pages. And lastly, pick up your pencil and start writing the words, teaching everyone all about the topic that you know really, really well. I hope you have fun writing your teaching books. I can't wait to hear them and listen to you read them on Friday.